The centre, in its affidavit filed in the Supreme Court on Monday, claimed the farm legislations were not hurriedly framed and were in fact a result of wide-ranging consultations spanning over a period of 2 decades. Right to Information (RTI) activists have now contested this claim, saying that these deliberations concerned larger reforms and were not specific to the new farm laws formulated by the central government. In its reply to an RTI query seeking details about mandatory pre-legislative consultations regarding the 3 farm laws, the Department of Agriculture, Cooperation and Farmers' Welfare claimed it had no records to provide. Arguing in favor of the new farm laws, the council representing the centre told the Supreme Court that the government has done its best to engage with the farmers to remove any misapprehensions or misgivings in the minds of the farmers, and no efforts have been found lacking. However, RTI activists have questioned the centre's claim. Talking to India Today TV, RTI activist Anjali Bhardwaj said as per the decision taken in the meeting of the Committee of Secretaries Cause held on the 10th of January 2014 regarding the Pre-Legislative Consultation Policy (PLCP), every department is required to proactively place in the public domain all proposed legislations for a minimum period of 30 days. In her RTI query marked to the Department of Agriculture, Cooperation and Farmers' Welfare, activist Anjali Bhardwaj sought information on the draft proposals made available as per policy with regard to the 3 farm ordinances. Our query was transferred to different CPIOs in the department and were ultimately told that they have no record to furnish in the matter, she added. Another RTI query sought details about all consultations that were held to discuss the proposed laws prior to the promulgation of ordinances in June 2020. Details about the stakeholders consulted for this purpose, including farmers and experts, were also sought. The same RTI query further sought details about the consultation held between the centre and states concerning the farm legislations. The RTI was disposed of with the reply that the concerned CPIO has no record to offer, said Anjali Bhardwaj. She added, the RTI replies show that no pre-legislative procedure was followed in case of the farm laws and that the consultations centre is referring to pertains to the larger reforms only. The RTI activist said what finally goes in the law should go through the people in a democracy, and in the case of 3 laws, clause-by-clause consultations should have taken place. Unfortunate that now the centre is saying that they are willing to discuss the law clause by clause. This should have been done earlier. The government is not following its own procedures, she added. Anjali Bhardwaj went on to say, what happened with CAA is for everyone to see. Such a situation develops when the government doesn't put out draft bills in the public domain.